Question 74. A taxi company charges $2 per ride plus 30 cents for each 1/5 of a mile ridden. If a taxi ride costs $20, how many miles long was the ride? So let's see. The total is 20. Before the taxi even drove, it was $2 just for the ride itself. And then it's 30 cents for each 1/5 of a mile that the taxi actually rides. So let's work backwards. We're at 20, and we already know we had to pay $2. So 20 minus 2 leaves us with 18. So that $18 was spent just on the 30 cents for each 1/5 of a mile. Okay, so now we can use this to find how many miles the trip actually was. So we have to see how many times 30 cents goes into $18. And then we'll know that if it goes in 5 times, then we have 5 1/5 of a mile, so we'll have 1 mile. Or however many times 30 cents goes into 18, that's how many fifths of a mile the taxi has ridden. So, do 30 cents or 0.3 into 18. Okay, we have to move this decimal point. So we're really doing 3 into 180. Okay, 3 doesn't go into 1, but 3 does go into 18 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 0. Bring down to 0. Okay, now don't forget this part. We have to do 3 into 0 because the decimal point's here. So this point is important. This part is important. 3 into 0, 0 times 3 is 0. So we have 60. So it's not 60 miles, it's 60 1/5 of a mile. So we have to do 60 times 1/5 to find how many miles. 60 times 1/5. 60 is really 60 over 1. We could cross cancel here. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 60 12 times. So now we have 12 times 1 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 12 over 1 is just 12. So the correct answer is G.